Hello, everybody. Myself, Dr.G.Rajkumar, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Vivekananda College, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss about the structure and functions of hemoglobin. Is all blood red in color? Do you think so? It is not so. It depends on the respiratory pigment. Humans and most other vertebrates, the respiratory pigments are hemoglobin and the color of the blood is red. In the cases of squids and octopus, the respiratory pigments are hemocyanin and the color of the blood is blue. For earthworms and leeches, the color of the blood is green due to the presence of respiratory pigment called chlorochlorine. In the cases of marine worms and brachiopods, the respiratory pigments are hemoerythrin and the color of the blood is purple. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein found in red blood cell. It gives red color to the blood and it reversibly binds to oxygen. The normal level of hemoglobin. For adult males, it is about 14 to 16 gram per deciliter. For adult females, it is about 13 to 15 gram per deciliter. The various types of hemoglobins are hemoglobin A, hemoglobin A2, hemoglobin F and hemoglobin A1C. The abnormal hemoglobin. If carbon monoxide binds with hemoglobin, then it will be called carboxyhemoglobin and the conditions will be very pathetic. The functions of hemoglobin. It transports oxygen from the lungs to the tissues of the body. It also transports H plus and carbon dioxide back to the lungs. When we breathe, oxygen goes to the lungs. From the lungs, hemoglobin carries oxygen to the tissues of the body through arterial blood. Then it carries carbon dioxide back to the lungs through venous blood. The structure of hemoglobin. Fe2 plus ion is present in the center of the heme. Hemoglobin consists of heme and globin. Globin is nothing but amino acid. The ring present in the hemoglobin is protoporphyrin ring. It is a tetramer. It consists of 2 alpha chains and 2 beta chains. Alpha chain contains 141 residues and beta chain contains 146 residues. Max Perutz is a Nobel laureate. He got Nobel Prize in 1962 for the study of 3-dimensional structure of hemoglobin. The structure of hemoglobin. The central ion atom can form 6 bonds with the surrounding atoms, out of which 4 bonds can form with the nitrogen atom of porphyrin ring. The 5th position is coordinated with the nitrogen atom of imidazole histidine amino acid. The 6th position is coordinated with the oxygen. There are 2 forms of hemoglobin. One is deoxyhemoglobin, that is a T form, tensed or taut form. In deoxyhemoglobin, there is a vacant site for coordination of oxygen. Another form is oxyhemoglobin, that is R form or relaxed form. In oxyhemoglobin, the 6th position is coordinated with the oxygen. The deoxyhemoglobin is dark red in color. When oxygen binds with the deoxy form, it will become a bright red. Deoxyhemoglobin is a non-planar shape and oxyhemoglobin is a planar one. Hemoglobin syndrome. The low level of hemoglobin leads to various diseases like anemia, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, iron deficiency, liver diseases, etc. For a normal person, the level of hemoglobins are actually high. For anemic person, the level of hemoglobin decreased. In sickle cell condition, the shape of a red blood cell deviates from the normal shape of a red blood cell, and also the lifetime of red blood cell will be decreased. The high level of hemoglobin also leads to some problem like lung diseases, heart diseases, polycythemia, etc. The National Anemia Action Council has suggested some iron-rich fruits and vegetables. So these are all the references which have been referred for my presentation. I must express a sincere thanks to our management, Vivekananda College, for giving this opportunity to participate in this program. I also express a sincere thanks to our principal for encouraging me to participate in this program. I extend a sincere thanks to Teaching Learning Center of Central University of Rajasthan for selecting me to participate in this 10 days workshop. I also express a sincere thanks to our coordinator and organizing committee of this 10 days workshop. Online quiz. Based on my presentation, I have created a free online test. You can log on to www.testmark.com/2321261, wherein you can find multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks questions and true or false questions. Thank you for listening.